we all know that Dubai can be expensive. However, a range of different applications can help us save money. The app that I'm about to show you is one that you probably don't know about, but can save you money in a similar manner to the Entertainer with things like 2-for-1 deals. Now, the advantage of this app is that it only cost me 10 dirhams to unlock this section that I want to show you. So first things first, you are going to need the Blue Rewards app. To do that, you're going to download it, and then we want to try and unlock the 2-for-1 section. Now, that's really straightforward. It says on the website, all you need to do is spend in 2 of their qualifying stores. So there's a range of different stores, but of those stores, I chose Marks and Spencer's and IKEA, and I chose 2 cheap items from those stores. I think I bought a pack of biscuits which were on sale at the time for 5 dirhams and something else that was really cheap in IKEA. You can obviously choose whatever you need to and spend in those 2 stores, but then that's going to unlock a new section. It isn't as extensive as something like the Entertainer, but there's still a range of different restaurants on there. Some of my favorites include Nando's, I think there's Caribou Coffee for coffee drinks, and Asia is one of the more premium restaurants that is on there. So a real range of different restaurants that are on there, and it unlocks a range of 2-for-1 offers. You'll see within my app that I've saved, I think, around 150 dirhams at the moment, and that's fantastic because I've only spent 10 dirhams on the app. So this is an alternative. You can have Blue Rewards and the Entertainer and a range of other apps available too. If you are interested in a top apps for Dubai, please let me know down in the comments or by liking the video. That's always really appreciated. If you're new to my channel, I make a range of different teaching, but also videos about Dubai too. So welcome, hopefully you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, I'm out.